Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today we'll learn how to create glass morphism inside of Photoshop. So I have my image here inside this document. So the next thing I am going to do is to create the shape or whatever I want to use for the glass. So I'd choose this rectangle tool and then draw the rectangle. You can make the edges a little bit rounded and then ensure that the color is white, and then go to the image layer to duplicate it. Right click and go to duplicate layer. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl J, and then once you've done that, take this above the rectangle layer, then you go to filter, then blur, then you go to Gaussian blur, and then you choose the amount of blurriness you want, and then you click OK. So the next thing we are going to do is to clip it to this rectangle layer. So you right click on this blurred one. Okay, you can name it blurred, and then right click and go to create clipping mask. So once you've done that, you see that it has created this kind of effect. But let's give the shape some stroke. So you select your let's give the shape some stroke. So you select your rectangle layer and go to effects and then click on stroke. So you can add the amount of stroke you want. So I'll go with 3 and click OK. So now the advantage of this is that this is adjustable. So ensure that you lock your layers. So you lock the image layers. Then once that is done, you can move the rectangle around, so it's something you can reposition. So it's simple and easy.